Welcome back to the channel with the Comanche that just sits in the driveway. This is day 3. I'm really pushing to get it done hopefully before the new year and have it out on the road so I give you guys some different content than just it sitting in the driveway, me installing or fixing things. So let me show you what we have in store for today. As you can tell by that intro, I was sitting in one of the chairs I pulled from my Comanche. What we're doing today, and probably going to be doing some other things today as well, replacing these seat brackets. I'm just replacing the factory ones. I had to replace my driver's side one. Here, let me show you that. Don't mind the mess, but as you can tell, my driver's side one's kind of missing pieces and is missing that bolt that goes here. So what we're going to be doing today is replacing the driver's side, the passenger side seat brackets. I just really needed the driver's side, but I got a pair from a buddy of mine. He makes these reproduction seat brackets for Comanches. He's, I believe, the only person that makes factory style OEM Comanche seat brackets. I'll link his Instagram there in the video. Krusty Baller Fab. He makes some awesome stuff. He's also making some frame stiffeners and like rock sliders and a whole bunch of good stuff for the Comanche. So I'm gonna pull these seat brackets apart, gonna install those, and possibly, if all goes well today, going to pull the center console, repaint it, put cup holders in it, kind of possibly repaint the dash and other plastic trim pieces, and replace the transmission mount with one that I got from Novak. So replace that guy in there. Hopefully it all goes well. Let's get this done and I could make a good quality video for you guys. Got done pulling off the seat brackets off my buckets, and here these are the new ones. These are the old ones. These are factory ones. Just looking at them, like, these just look way beefier, but also mind you, these are factory 30-year-old seat brackets. Let's get these installed. I've had this thing for a little while now. I am going to finally get around to installing my Novak transmission mount for my Jeep. Let's get this show on the road. This is what the Novak, I believe it's the R Max 15 or something like that, transmission mount looks like mounted on the cross member. I did have to modify my cross member a little bit. I used one existing bolt hole, and then I had to drill another one for this bolt because the spacing here is a little too wide for to use two existing holes. It's too wide, so it's like half an inch too wide, so I just had to drill another hole for this guy over here. But other than that, it looks good. Now I just gotta put in the bolts and the spacers here to go into the bottom of the AX15. There you have it. There's the Novak transmission mount all mounted up on the cross member and on the bottom of the transmission. It's not going anywhere. Definitely way better than the previous transmission mount I had, which is right here. This is the previous transmission mount. It's for a TJ, I believe. I mean, this one isn't that bad a condition. I may keep this one just as a spare, but the Novak one should be good for as long as the Jeep's running. There you have it.